Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel Reclaim Brands. Today, we are looking at an entry-level freelance resume writer at Talent Inc. So Talent Inc. Is dedicated to creating a better landscape for job seekers everywhere. And they have different brands, including Top Resume, Top CV, and Top Interview, to empower professionals to take control of their careers, tell the best version of their career stories, and reach their full potential. So for somebody, for the person who is going to be taking this role, they basically state that the job is 100% remote. You work as much as you want, as late as you want, and you have the ability to create a schedule that caters to your own needs. You will be paid weekly, and the average writer earns 900 to 950 US per month. Benefits of working with them includes endless flexibility with on-demand access to projects, support from their global community, ability to fine-tune your writing and editing skills with access to industry-leading writing tools and services. To join their network of writers, simply include your first name and your last name, email address, phone number, your physical address, upload your resume, and answer additional questions and that they have here for this online job application, and simply click on submit application. That's it. If you are in the field of article writing, whether you are experienced or not, know that they are looking for somebody at the entry level. So that would be a great opportunity for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who is also in the writing field. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.